Hello Hopscotchers! Today we're back with another game of the day. In these videos, we'll play your games, and at the very end, we'll announce which game is the game of the day. Let's get started. The first game is Free the Grapes by Hedgehog Queen 14. For years, grapes were eaten by people, but then grapes had enough, so we took over the world. Here's how it happened. Okay, it says to get the monkey because they eat grapes. Okay, I am tapping this control pad and I'm moving the grape to the monkey. Woo, got him. All right, level 2. Now we have to get the elf because they feed grapes to Santa Claus. All right, he's hiding in the corner. We got him. Now we have to get the anteater. Oh, he's so cute. Last level. Let's get Cleopatra. Wow, she is very quick. Wow. Okay, I'm trying. There we go. Woo, we win. We freed the grapes. It says thanks for playing, and no grapes were harmed in the making of this game. That makes me feel very good. Thank you, Hedgehog Queen 14, for making this super fun game. All right, the second game we have is My Sharpkni by Astroid Studios. Ooh, aw, this is such a cute creature. It has one eye and it looks like a cat, but a robot at the same time. Sharpkni wants to be petted. It's tired, it's thirsty, it's hungry. It needs a bath. All right, so first we could give it a meal. Yum. Aw. Oh. What does it need now? A shower? Nice. And some water. Awesome. Oh, it looks like when we gave them water to drink, the hydrated meter went up. Oh, it's sad. Let's give them a pet. Aw. I love this creature. Thank you so much to Astroid Studios for making this game. I want to keep revisiting this game so I can take care of this little creature. Alright, the next game we have is called Time Hummer by A Nose. It says press to aim, release to shoot. Alright, let's start. Whoa! Whoa! It's slow motion! Whoa! Wow, look at how even the grass slows down. This is such a crazy mechanic. I love the warping of time. You guys should totally check this out. Thank you so much, A Nose. Next we have Yellow Squares version 2 by Short Circuit. This is a game of memory. Figure out the path to get to the green block in each level. If you take the wrong path, you start over. Eventually, you'll learn the path. Swipe to move. You can move in any direction except diagonally. Solve the puzzles. Good luck. Alright, so it looks like we tap to move this yellow square around, and now I'm going to get to the green square, so I am... Oh! Let's see. I think the easiest path is just directly up. Oh, perfect. We got it. And now it's level 2. So I'm just going to take the easiest path. Oh! It looks like we have to start over. Oh, okay. So it looks like we can only go up 3. I'm gonna try and go left. Okay, this works. And up, and up, and up, and right. Oh, we got it. I like how there's an invisible pathway that you have to eventually learn. I'm gonna take the most obvious, shortest path. Okay, looks like that doesn't work. So, nope, this doesn't work, that doesn't work, that doesn't work. So by process of elimination, I'm gonna go up here. Nice. Oh, so we can only go up 2. I'm gonna go to the right. We can't go up. I'm gonna keep going right. Oh, I'm gonna go up. Oh, no, we can't go that way. Oh, no, I didn't mean it, no. A few hours later. This is so hard. I am still here, you guys. Okay, no! A few days later. Oh, we made it. Oh no, we're Okay, I have to see if I remember. Nope, no. A few weeks later, we made it, guys. Took some time. I got to level 4, but let's see if you could pass my highest score. So the challenge is on. Go play this game and let me know if you could beat it yourself. Thank you, Short Circuit, for making this super challenging and fun puzzle game. Last up, we have Design a Flag by PumpkinPi, made by Pumpkin Girl. I hope you enjoy. Yes, it says design a flag. It looks like we could pick all of our colors. Nice. Ooh, I like this seafoam blue green color. I'm gonna draw in the pole for the flag. And now I'm gonna pick another color. I'm gonna pick this yellow. Ooh, I really like this yellow. And I'm just tapping on all of these squares to make a nice border. Wow, this is super soothing. I really love this design app. And now I am going to make a hopscotch flag. So I'm making the H right here in the middle. Hopscotch pride. I'm gonna fill in the rest of the space with some yellow. It brings a little more contrast. And alrighty, that is my flag. What do you think? I had a lot of fun making it. Thank you so much for designing this design app, PumpkinPi. You guys should go design your own flag and share them with your classmates. All right, now it's time to announce the game of the day. Today's game of the day is, drumroll please, Time Hummer by A Nose. Woo! Shout out to all of the games featured. Go and check them out. I'll leave the links in the description below. And again, if you would like to submit your own games or recommend any other games for us to play, go ahead and visit our forum. Stay tuned this week for more games of the day. See you next time.